Peace. Quick video showing you guys my morning smoothie routine. A lot of you been asking how I maintain my physique, my health and wellness, mind, body, and soul connection. Here's a quick tip. I'm using the NutriBullet. And I like to start off my smoothies with good old-fashioned watermelon. Be sure to get your organic watermelons that have seeds in them. They're better for you. Watermelon is great for hydration, skin, hair, and health. Also, a slight aphrodisiac. People who might need a little help in that department, this is great for you. But it's great to start your morning off with some watermelon. Next thing I get into is a little bit of organic celery. Being sure to get some more hydration in. You want to start off your day with a lot of hydration, a lot of water-based fruits and vegetables. Celery is great, low calorie, people who watch their calories. I'm particularly not watching my calories, but some people might. I add some carrots. Carrots got great vitamin A, packed with antioxidants, got some beta carotene, alpha carotene. You want to be sure to maintain your health and hygiene for your hair, skin, and nails, but also your vision. Visual acuity. There are a lot of things that drain us of our moisture, and the hydration from the watermelon, celery, and the health of the carrots help to refill you with that moisture, having less strain on your eyes and increasing your vision. What's next? We tap into the frozen things next. Boom. Berry cherry blend. Cherries, blueberries, strawberries. Very simple mix. Great antioxidants. And I double down on some berry medley. Just has other berries that were not in the cherry berry blend, such as blackberries and raspberries. So you want to tap into the antioxidants. Rebuild your cell health. Combat that stress that we face here in the States, being Americans. Most people here watching are. Next up. Mixed fruit, pineapple, strawberries, peaches, and mangoes. Great flavor, adding natural sweetness to the morning smoothie to get yourself on the road. You are what you eat, so you should taste good, so that you become good. Understand where I'm coming from? Next up, mango chunks, straight mangoes. You know I love the mangoes. Gotta have a fresh fruit taste, sweetness to you. It'll actually turn your blood sweet. Like you'll start to feel, you'll start to smell an odor of sweetness around you, rather than smelling the food that you might have eaten, which was, more bitter. Now, I do add a little bit of juice with some natural flavors. May not be the best, but it's what I add to my smoothie. Mango punch with the apple, pear, pineapple. You know I love the mangoes. That's the goal. Understand where I'm coming from. You gotta taste like a mango. Taste sweet in this world, beloveds. Those are the main things that I add. One last thing. Natural spring water. Gotta stay hydrated. Those are the things that I add to my morning smoothie. Quick video here. Nothing too fancy, nothing too crazy. One more thing. On certain days, I do add some organic bananas for some protein. And I also do add some apple cider vinegar every once in a while. Just a tablespoon. Just to add to the smoothie. But that's what I add to my morning smoothie to maintain my physique, health and wellness, mind, body, soul connection. It's nothing special, nothing over the top. I'll have more in-depth recipes later on in videos. This was the first one of many. Thank you guys for watching, staying tuned. And I appreciate it. For any kind of health and wellness concerns, consultation, lifestyle coaching, don't be afraid to send me an email in the description below. I'll also have a list of what I just mentioned in the description. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Peace and love. Bless.